This question relativity is quite easy lah. So the triangle has a height h and a base 3h cm. So if we were to imagine the triangle, it will probably look something like that, right? Sorry, I didn't draw it too well. So there's a vertical height of hcm as well as a base of 3h. Now, given that the area of the triangle decreases at a rate of 12 cm square per second, it's trying to tell you that basically from here, dA dt is equals to negative 12, right? And here, we are asked to find the rate of change of h. So probably the one that we are asked, or the one that gives us the marks, would be dH dt. And the one here that's given would be dA dt. So observing these two derivatives, right, you can see that the last derivative that you will need to come up with would be dA dH. So in case you are not sure how, write down the one that gives you the marks first in order of they call it I call it MGH lah, okay. So dH dt, the one that gets you the marks, dA dt, the one that's given, and you can see that the last one probably you need is 1 over the ADH, right? 1 over the ADH, all right? So this is the one that's what we call hiding. Right? So this is the one that we probably need to find. So based on your experience, right, you know that if we are finding the ADH, we will need to have A in terms of H. We will need to have A in terms of H, okay? So in order for us to so-called the ADH, we need to differentiate A with respect to H as a variable. It means that you need A as a function of H, alright, which is not too difficult. Like in this case, you see our question here, there's H and 3H. Very simply, our A is just half times base times height, which is half times H times 3H is 3 over 2 H squared. Alright, so dA dH, if you differentiate this very easily, would just be 3H. Okay, so when H is equals to 2, now let's go about doing this. dH dt would be dA dt, which is negative 12, right? Negative 12 multiply, so remember this is dA dt, and 1 over dA dH is 1 over dA dH. Now remember that H is 2, so we are substituting H as 2, 1 over 3 times 2, alright, which answer will just be negative 12 times 1 over 6 is negative 2 cm per second. So the rate of change of the height would be negative 2 cm per second, and we are done. Thank you.